Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MOONBAG token. Now this token is live for pre-sale. Currently they are in stage 4. Now I saw this token advertised in some news articles. This is an initial coin offering on their own webpage. Actually there was a couple comments too from people saying go check this token out, do a video on this token. And for these initial coin offerings, it's always a great idea to check out the full audit report because, you know, when they're on their own webpage, they can basically do whatever they want. There's no like third party, like say pinksale.finance to check anything. So a lot of these ICOs can be sketchy. So we're going to check out the audit report on here. We're going to go over the information and we're going to look at the MOONBAG token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So MOONBAG, their webpage is moonbag.org. You can click on a button that says pre-sale on their webpage, and it'll take you to moonbag.org/presale. You can connect your wallet. It says, you could use a MetaMask wallet, Trust Wallet, whatever. It says pre-sale stage 4, 1 MBAG token, MBAG is the ticker symbol, equals 0.00015 USDT. So how these pre-sales work is basically as the stages go by, the token slowly increases the price of the token. And so the earlier you get in, basically, the cheaper you can get the token. So it says so far they've raised over $1.2 million. So they're doing very well. You could use all sorts of different payment methods. So they have like Ethereum, BNB, Tron, Bitcoin, Solana, and then there's more. You can click on that. But basically, you'd say you're using ETH. You punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Moon tokens you get for that amount. And yeah, so there's a referral code option too as well. I don't have one of those, but I'm sure you could, search one somewhere on the internet. And yeah, so they have earn crypto with MOONBAG referrals. I don't know if this project is safe, so that's why I'm not going to give out a referral code to it. I don't actually promote any actual crypto coins on here. This channel is just information. So basically, there is some central exchange listings, referral codes, in the description box, but I don't promote any single tokens because, tokens are sketchy. So I don't want to be promoting some sketchy token. So anyways, what is this project all about here? It says here, the MOONBAG token, fuel your MOONBAG to the moon. They do have a full white paper you could check out. We're not going to go over everything here, but it says a super cute meme coin. Ready to jump aboard the MOONBAG rocket? MOONBAG is your most adorable and exciting new meme coin on the block. Kick off your MOONBAG voyage today. They have a how to buy section in case you didn't understand how I explained connecting your wallet and all that stuff. You could just go through that if you need to. It says you can earn USDC with the MOONBAG referrals. Share your code, enter the leaderboard for monthly cash rewards, entice friends and family to use your code, offering them 10% extra MBAG coins on their purchase. So that's what you get for the referrals. It says, say hello to MOONBAG, more than just a lovable cosmic companion. It's the freshest cryptocurrency to hit the scene. With clever moonomics and a scarce token supply, MOONBAG is the new star of meme coins. It says, uncover all the cosmic secrets in our white paper. But basically how the token is split up, their token metrics allocation pie chart here, it says 25% of the tokens go to staking, vested for 3 months after listing. We got 5% going to community incentives, so airdrops, etc. We got 20% going to liquidity, it says locked for 2 years. Then we got 5% going to the referral incentives, 5% going to the team, locked for 1 year, and 40% going to the pre-sale. So once we launch, liquidity will flow seamlessly, ensuring a vibrant market, but that's just the beginning. Brace yourself for the buyback and burn events happening at various intervals over 3 to 6 months. These events not only inject buying pressure, propelling prices skyward, but also incinerate a portion of tokens, vanishing them from circulation. This scarcity turbocharges the value of your MBAG stash, making every coin you hold a treasure worth cherishing. So the initial listing liquidity here, it says $1 million. And yeah, so they have buyback and burn information there. Our MOONBAG smart contract has been given the star treatment by SCRL, a stellar name in blockchain security audits. We're going to check their audit in a second here. Not just that, but we've securely locked the team tokens and handed over the reins of the MOONBAG smart contract to ensure full transparency. Plus, we've set up another adorable smart contract, also checked by the pros, that diligently sends 20% of our pre-sale treasures to the liquidity wallet every day, making sure we're all set for a smooth launch. So they do have a KYC button here as well. Let's see if that works. So they have been KYC'd, it says here, from SCRL. Now, I've never even heard of SCRL. I've reviewed so many tokens, and this is the first time I've ever heard of them. So it says they are Securi Lab Thailand, someplace from Thailand, but you know, hopefully they're legit. It says this was done May 9th, 2024, and they've been successfully verified. It says a Tier 2 KYC. So they also have here, let's check out their audit. So their audit is also done by SCRL. So hopefully this is even a legit place here. Looks like they have... Okay, so, I mean, even though they claim to have a great audit or whatever they said there, it says here they have 6 total findings on their audit. So this is very far from a perfect audit. So if you look at their audit, it says 6 total findings, and they're all unresolved. So they haven't resolved them yet. There's a medium issue, 2 low issues, 2 informational issues, and 1 gas optimization issue. So all sorts of issues on here. So definitely be aware of that. I'm not even going to go over them because there's, you know, so many. But yeah, 6 issues. I'm going to put that up somewhere here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But definitely review this audit before thinking about getting the token. They are KYC'd, it says, so I mean that is good if this is a legit auditor and KYC company. I haven't fully checked it out yet. I think it says their webpage is scrl.io, so you could review that audit place if you like. But yeah, it's either way, it's not a perfect audit anyway. So go check out this audit, check out the token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.